Good day guys, welcome to another video of the series of IGCSE Math Core Syllabus. In the previous video, I taught you guys on how to expand brackets, and in this video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to expand and simplify brackets. Alright guys, if you did miss the previous video, I would suggest you to go and check it out so you know how to solve these types of questions. Alright guys, now let's get to it. Alright guys, so first what we'll be doing here is we are going to expand the brackets. Alright guys, now if you don't know how to expand, I'll highly suggest you to go to my previous video on expanding brackets so you guys know how to expand brackets. Alright guys, and if you do know, now let's get to it. So what I'm going to do here is first I'm going to multiply this -2 with 2a and -2 with +4. Alright guys, so I would have 3a and -2 multiplied by 2a is going to give us -4a, and -2 multiplied by +4 is going to give us -8. Alright guys, now whenever we see the word simplify, that means we are going to simplify the like terms, and we can only add or subtract terms when they are like terms. All right, like terms is when the terms have the same variable. In this case, we have a look at it. The variable is a, right guys? So 3a and -4a are what we call like terms. All right guys, so we can add or subtract them. Now 3a minus 5a is going to give us -1a and remaining with -8. And usually in algebra guys, we will not write it as -1a, we will just write it as -a minus 8. Alright guys, because the coefficient that is in front of a is already 1 by itself. Alright, now let's get to the second question. Again, before we simplify them, we have to expand the brackets. Okay, so we're going to take 3 multiply with x and 3 multiply with -4. So 3 times x is going to give us 3x minus 3 times 4 is going to give us 12. Okay guys, plus 2 times 4 will give us 8, right guys, and 2 times minus x is going to give us -2x. Okay guys, now in this case I would highly suggest you to regroup the terms so you don't make any careless mistakes. So we have 3x minus 2x minus 12 plus 8, right guys? We have regrouped the term so we can add and subtract without making any silly mistakes. Now 3x minus 2x is going to give us 1x, right? And minus 12 plus 8 is going to give us -4. So the final answer is x minus 4. All right guys, now let's go ahead and get to the next question. So now what we have here is we have a fraction in front of the bracket. All right guys, so don't get scared. We all follow the same steps but with a fraction involved here. Okay, so we are going to take 1/4 multiply with 2x and 1/4 multiply with 6y, right guys? So here 1/4 multiplied by 2x, we would have 2x over 4, right guys, plus 1/4 multiplied with 6y, we will have 6y over 4. Alright guys, now let's do the same thing right here. So 3/4 multiplied with 6x is going to give us plus 18x over 4 minus, because there's a minus here, right? And 3/4 multiplied by 4y is going to give us 12y over 4. Right guys, it's going to give us 12y over 4. Now let's go ahead and regroup the terms so it makes it easier for us to add and subtract. So first we are going to group x with x, right? So we are going to group this with this. Let us write that down here. So we would have 2x over 4 plus 18x over 4, and the remaining is for our y. We would have plus 6y over 4 minus 12y over 4. All right guys, now we can add up the like terms. So let's go ahead and add up our x's. 2x plus 18x is going to give us 20x over 4. Now of course we can only add up if the denominators are the same, right guys? If they are not the same, we got to find the LCM and make it equal, make the denominators equal. Now in here also we see that the denominators are same, so we can go ahead and add or subtract them. 6y minus 12y is going to give us 6y over 4. Right, guys, now let's go ahead and simplify this fraction. 20 over 4 is going to give us 5. So 20x over 4 will give us 5x minus. Now we see that 6 and 4 can be simplified with 2, right? So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. Therefore, we have 5x minus 3y over 2. All right, guys. And that is how we would expand brackets and simplify the question. All right, guys. Now, if you did enjoy this video, do not forget to hit on that like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any future maths videos in this series. And if you do want me to do any specific topic, please comment below and I will look into that very deeply. All right, guys. Now, until next time, have a nice day.